Alright, so this is our XC7 SV12 skid steer loader. This is XCMG's newest product in here in the US. You can see it as a front cab machine. Enter from the front. Comes with auxiliary hydraulics for any attachments you may need. Alright, we have here our XC7 SV12 skid steer. This is the first edition that we would be introducing into the United States. It's a compact skid steer loader.
Yeah, just give me a heads up.
It is a front entry. Comes standard with auxiliary hydraulics for any attachments that you may need. And that is our XC7 SV12. Introducing our XC7 SV12 skid steer loader. Introducing this model into the US this year, 2023, for XCMG. You can see it is smooth operation. Ergonomic cab design for our operators. Provides comfort, mobility, and a long workday. You can see as it comes down, you can be very precise with the controls. As it goes to touch the ground.